Here is the map of the allotment of Israel. Moab is not a part of the nation of Israel. Let me go ahead and blow it up. Some more. Bam. Highlighted in various colors is the nation of Israel. However, Moab is not a part of Israel. And they took them wives of the women of Moab. The name of the one was Orpah, and the name of the other, Ruth. And they dwelled there about 10 years. Now, what I'm about to say, you might attempt to stone me, but I'm going to say it anyway. Some brews is not going to like this. This is a friendly caution. Ruth was a woman of Moab. It says, and they took them wives of the women of Moab. The name of the one was Orpah, and the name of the other, Ruth. So Naomi returned, and Ruth, the Moabitess, her daughter-in-law, with her, which returned out of the country of Moab. And they came to Bethlehem in the beginning of the barley harvest. Bruce, get ready for some controversy. What I'm about to say, I might go from your Israelite brother to an Edomite white boy. Family, I'm technically not a white boy. I'm mulatto, I'm mixed, I'm light skinned. So I'm kind of a white boy. Okay, what I'm about to say, it may trigger you, but I'm going to say it. Ruth was not an Israelite. I'm quick. I just dodged 2 stones. I could dodge another one too. I'm ready for it. Ruth was not an Israelite. We hear that teaching throughout many camps. I'm not saying all. I'm not aware of all the camps, but we hear that teaching being spread by the camps. Ruth was a Moabitess. Ruth was a Moabitess. It says, and Ruth, the Moabitess, in the Hebrew highlighter. Let's go to tools. Let's check our language. Let's double check that. It says in Be'ivrit, in Hebrew, Ruth hamo avia. Ruth hamo avia. Ruth hamo avia. And Ruth, Ruth and Ruth hamo avia. The Moabitess. And Ruth, the Moabitess. That's right, it says Moabitess. Then she fell on her face and bowed herself to the ground and said unto him, why have I found grace in thine eyes, that thou shouldest take knowledge of me, seeing I am an Israelite? Okay, they don't say that. Come on, Jaden. Stop being a smart aleck. Okay, I haven't fully repented. I'm still a smart aleck. I'm just a Hebrew Israelite smart aleck. It says, I am a stranger. Ruth was a stranger. And Ruth, the Moabitess, said, I'm not going to pick on you. I'm not going to pick on you, Israelites. Some of y'all, not all of y'all. The ones out there, you know who you are. I'm not going to pick on you. Moreover, Ruth, the Moabitess, And Ruth said, entreat me not to leave thee, or to return from following after thee. For whither thou goest, I will go, and where thou lodgest, I will lodge. Thy people shall be my people, and thy God, my God. Hallelujah.